Good morning, students. I am Navdeep Dhaliwal, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Electronics and Communication Department. Today, I am going to explain monochrome TV receiver in this session. So, monochrome TV receiver with each and every component with complete detail I will be explaining in this session. So, let us begin this session with this session outlines. So first I will going to explain basics of monochrome TV receiver. Then after I will be explaining basic block diagram with each and every component of monochrome TV receiver, and in that I will explain how we extract video and audio information in monochrome TV receiver, and at the end I will see some basic parameter which is there with monochrome TV receiver. Let us begin this session with first agenda, that is basics of monochrome TV receiver. Now see, in monochrome TV receiver, whatever data that is being transmitted by a monochrome TV transmitter, that will get received at monochrome TV receiver. So there will be receiving antenna at monochrome TV receiver. It will receive same data which is being transmitted by a monochrome TV transmitter. And here these are our agenda. So our agenda is to receive electromagnetic signal which is being transmitted by antenna. So receiver side we will be having receiving antenna that will receive electromagnetic signal, and that electromagnetic signal will be having RF carrier frequency, and then we want to convert that given signal into electrical signal, so that is getting done by antenna. And after electrical signal we need to separate sound and video information, and once you separate these two information we need to play sound by speaker, and we need to play video by tube. So there are the agendas which is here, which is there with monochrome TV receiver. And in monochrome TV receiver, display will be there in term of black and white with shade of gray. So brightness will justify complete picture detail which is in term of black and white. So let us see basic block diagram of monochrome TV receiver. The receiving antenna intercepts radiated RF signal, and the tuner selects the desired channel frequency band. The antenna provides RF picture and sound signals for the RF amplifier stage. The RF amplifier stage is then coupled in the mixer stage. The mixer is connected to the local oscillator. The RF audio and video signals are heterodyned into intermediate frequency by the mixer and local oscillator. The RF amplifier, mixer, and local oscillator stages are combinedly called as the RF tuner. The output signal from the tuner circuit is amplified by using a common intermediate frequency amplifier. Then the video and audio components are separated by a detector. The sound signal are detected from FM waves, amplified, and then fed into the loudspeaker. which reproduce the sound. The video components are first passed into a detector which separates the picture signal from the synchronizing pulses. The line synchronizing pulses and the frame synchronizing pulses are fed into the horizontal and vertical detector plates of the picture tube. The blanking pulses are given to the control grid of the picture of the electron gun of the picture tube. The picture signals are applied to the filaments of the electron gun of the picture tube. Accordingly to the variation of potential in the picture, electrons are emitted from the electron gun. Thus, the intensity of the fluorescent screen of the picture tube is in accordance with the variation of potential in the picture, and the picture is reproduced. Let us see the basic parameters which is there with monochrome TV receiver. See, it has video information that is there in term of black and white, and shades are there in term of gray. So ultimately brightness will control that information of video which is there in term of black and white. So brightness of black and white spot will justify video information, and it receive channel in VHF and UHF frequency, and picture and sound signals are demodulated from RF carrier and received from antenna. So here picture and sound signal that we will be demodulating from RF carrier. For picture we will be having amplitude modulation, and for sound we will be having frequency modulation after having IF conversion. So this is all about monochrome TV receiver. Thank you.